I'm really excited for this box. This box is from the United Kingdom, and the United Kingdom has definitely been a place that I have been wanting to go for a very long time. It is on my bucket list. Let's see what goodies I got from the United Kingdom. I have no idea what I got. This is how your box comes. And the first thing is automatically this card. It shows you a lot of the places that your snacks come from, or even just some little facts. For example, Cardiff, Wales, right here. It talks about Wales has more castles per capita than any other country in Europe, including the very old Cardiff Castle. I stayed at a castle once when I went to Ireland. I stayed in King's Court. If you're interested in seeing that, I have a quick YouTube short on my channel about my stay in King's Court, and I definitely felt like a queen. But I will have to check out that castle in Cardiff, Wales. We're gonna go through, I'm gonna test out the snacks. You also get a book. I love these books. Whoever the artists are for these books, they do a really good job. So pretty. But here's the trivia train. As usual, I will do one question with you. Which of the following is the national animal of Scotland? A, Shetland pony. B, dragon. How freaking gnarly would that be? C, gray seal. Or D, unicorn. Oh, you gotta be kidding. It's a freaking unicorn. The creature was a symbol of power in Celtic myth and was adopted into the Scottish coat of arms in the 12th century. And they're not the only part of the UK with a mythical animal to represent them. The dragon's the national animal of Wales. Man, I suck at trivia. So the first one they have us trying is the yummy banana flavored toffee. I think this is gonna be pretty chewy. Doesn't smell like anything really. Oh my god, but it's good. I'd say that's a happy face. Starting off well. Snack number 2, oat bar, chocolate coating with raspberry flavor. I love chocolate and I love raspberries. A very subtle aftertaste of raspberry. I don't really taste the chocolatey coating. It tastes like a sweet coating, that's for sure. I'd go ahead and give that a happy face. Number 3 is this bag of kid chips, lamb and rosemary. Oh wow, and it smells amazing. And that is definitely a lamb and rosemary taste. That makes me very happy. That is a solid happy face. It looks like this purple packet, pickled onion rings, but look like mini Funyuns. That is really light and airy, and wow. So that is, for me, another happy face. I have yet to have a box where I have all happy faces. But we got 2 left. Looks like we got a bonbon, rhubarb and custard flavored. It's sweet and just a little tart. These are good too. So far, this box is like the winner for me. Are we gonna be 100% happy face experience in this Universal Yums box? Our last one's this one. Dean's all butter shortbread cookies. I'm gonna have a hard time grading these. In this package, I get 2 cookies. I love how it doesn't like crumble in my mouth, but it's got that nice buttery flavor to it. I am freaking stoked today. All freaking happy faces. Now here comes the hard part. I have to actually put them in order, and I don't know if I can do it. They're all so good. At the bottom, and somebody has to be last, I'm gonna have to pick the banana toffee. And my second to last, the oat bar. I wish it had a little bit more raspberry in it. 4th place, I think I'm gonna go with the pickle and onions. Who gets the bronze? I'm going to go with the shortbread cookies. And only because I really like these 2 better. Who's going to get 1st place and who's going to get 2nd? I am going to go with the rhubarb and custard as 2nd place. The absolute winner, the lamb and rosemary chip. And that's what we got for this month's box. The next 2 boxes I'm really stoked about. This one I was definitely eager to get. Next month is from India. India is also a place that I've been dying to go to, and I love Indian food. And then the month after that is from Africa. If you like this video, by all means, please like, subscribe. I do these reveals every month, as well as, document some of my adventures, and I'm starting to branch out a little bit more on my channel. If you want to stay up to date and follow me and Shorty, who's right here, he's just kind of taking a little cat nap. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the future. Thanks.